So today I am unboxing the Buddha board, Master the Art of Letting Go. And this video is to just show you kind of what's inside of the box when you first open it. So I've already taken the plastic off. You open it and you see Enlighten Yourself. And you have this. And I have no idea what's in here because this is my first time opening it. I'm going to assume that's packing material. Please be mindful, the Buddha board surface is sensitive to scratching, so please only use a soft paintbrush and do not press too hard. Also, only use clean, room temperature water on the surface. To avoid stains, please ensure the board does not come into contact with anything other than water, i.e. skin, oils, cleaning products, crayons, or pens. Enjoy your Buddha board. So, I'm hoping there's a protective mechanism on top of the board then? No! Okay, so don't touch that. And this is your Buddha board right here. And then we have more packing material. And we have Master the Art of Letting Go. Zen. The past is over. The future may never be. The present is all that exists. Live each moment to the fullest. And this will tell you how to use it, how to care for it. And so basically, you're going to add 1/2 inch of clean room temperature water to the water tray, which I'm going to assume is this. This is your water tray. I got some stickers. This is your water tray. And then you're going to place the tray on top of the plastic pad as a base to catch drips if you desire. And then you're going to rest the board into the square notches. So basically you're going to go like this. Into this, after there's water in there, you're going to go like this. And there's your platform. And don't drop it. Alright, so you're going to rest it into the platform properly. And then this will rest into, let's not do that. You've got a brush that comes with it. With a little cover, right? Protective cover if you want to use it. And then this actually will rest behind the board right here when you're not using it. And so that's basically it for today. I just want to show you what comes with your Buddha board and how to kind of get started here. You'll put 1 inch of water in there and you'll do that, and then you'll start painting on it with water. I will show you in another video how we do the painting with water, but this is what comes in the Buddha board when you buy the big version of the Buddha board.